Hello everyone. In the last few tutorials, we have covered modules and packages in Go. In this tutorial, we will go one step further and discuss the different project structures commonly used in Go. So let's have a look at different project structures in Go. Please note in the following examples of project structures in Go, everything orange is a directory and everything blue is a file inside the directory. First, we have an example of a simple project. Here, the root directory is countries. Inside it, we have the usual go mod file and the go sum file. Then, we have countries.go and then countries_test.go. This is how you would usually name your test files. Here, we have a Go module living under github.com/the username, then the module name, which is countries. The package is countries. All files inside the package live under the package countries. So this is the simplest form of a package. You don't see any main.go because this package is only meant to be used by other packages. So it's not an executable program. The files in here export the functionalities to be used by other packages. So that's the basic structure of a simple package or a package that is used by other packages. Now to extend upon it, we will have a simple package with separated files. We will call it multi-file simple package. In here, we again have the countries directory, then go mod file, go sum, countries.go, countries_test.go, then countrycode.go, and the test file, and so on. So as you can see, the functionality has been divided into multiple files inside the package, but they all still reside in the same package. Again, this package is to be used by other packages and is not an executable. So this package may have types, functions, etc. that may not fit in a single file. So you divide it into multiple files logically. The module name is again the same, github.com/code-and-learn and countries. All these files still live under the same package, which is package countries. Next up, let us look at a simple executable or a program that executes. This time we have the root directory list, which will also be the module name. Inside it, we have the usual go mod and go sum file. Then we have the main.go, in which we will have the main function or the entry point for our Go program. Then we have multiple files where different functionalities live. For example, we can have list.go, which has list structure, and then sortlist.go, which sorts that list structure. We have divided them logically into different files, but again, they still live under the same package name. The module name again is github.com/the username/the module name. And package this time is main because everything inside us is an executable and lives inside main. Next, we have the multi-package project. In this kind of a project, you have multiple packages divided into their own namespace. This is still to be used by other modules and packages, so it won't have a main.go. The root path is auth2, and then the usual go mod and go sum files. Then we have the auth2 go file, which is package auth2, and then the test file. Now inside it we have another package, auth, inside which we have auth.go and auth-test.go, and then another package called refresh, used for refreshing tokens, refresh.go, refresh_test.go. So as you can see, there's the parent package, which is auth2. Then there are child packages auth and refresh. If you want to use the auth or refresh package, you would have to do auth2/auth or auth2/refresh. The module name in this case would be github.com/your username, then auth2. Since there are multiple packages, there's no one package name. So that's how a package that is meant to be used by other packages or modules with a large number of functions being offered is divided. So basically, here is a project we don't have any executable in. The main function is not defined as the package is only intended to be used by other Go projects. However, since the functionality we offer is quite large, we divide it into multiple Go packages. At the root of the project is the auth2 package. Then inside it we have two more packages, auth and refresh. Now let's move on to our next example. This example will use internal packages. When you work on Grow projects, there may be projects in which some of the packages are for internal use only. They are not exported to be used by other Go projects that impose your module. In such case, you would put the packages inside the internal directory. So Go will see them as internal packages. As such, any other Go project importing your module won't be able to use the package defined in the internal directory. So other packages in the project would still be able to use the client package. But if someone else is importing the OAuth2 package, they won't be able to access the client package. And to import these internal packages into other files, you would use the path OAuth2/internal/client. And that's it, how you import it. The last one we are going to look at is a project structure for Go project with multiple executable. So you have the REST package, then the usual Go mod files, and then we have a CMD directory. Inside it, we have server with the main.go, then the migrator with main.go, then in some internal packages like handlers, then some migrations. Now the module path is, as expected, github.com/the username and REST. There are different packages inside it. So we have logically divided this project into CMD directory with server and migrator, with each having the main.go file. So basically we have two executable in this project, one for the server and one for the migrator, which is responsible for handling database migration. This is how you would structure a backend project where at the root only go_sum and go mod file exist. Then we have some packages for migration that are exported, then some internal packages where we define handler along with the handle test. Both these main.go file can share all the packages defined in this. This is usually how bigger projects like backend server are structured. So this was a short overview of different kind of Go project structures. I will post a link to a more descriptive blog post by the Go team regarding the Go project structures. Please have a look at them. As we go along the course, we will do some projects which will follow one of these structures. It will depend on how much functionality our module is offering. That's it for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please post a comment under the video or reach out to our Discord server. Until next time, happy coding.